This is part of the tunnel section below the Kings Park Psychiatric Center on Long Island, New York. And this tunnel is close to the power plant building, which is behind building 93, and it is extremely dark. Probably not going to walk the whole length of this tunnel because I don't want to risk breathing in asbestos or anything, but it is extremely dark. Yeah, I'm not going to go much further than this, but this is a slight downward angle. We are losing elevation slightly. Feels like maybe a 2 or 3% grade. There's a wall down there. If that's a dead end, I can just turn around and go back the other way. Yeah, I think this is a dead end. Yep, the wall's been bricked off. There's nothing else down there. It's dead end. All right, let's turn around and go back the other way. It is, as SpongeBob SquarePants once said, this isn't your normal everyday darkness. This is advanced darkness. If I cover up the video light, that didn't work as well as I thought it would, but it's very, very dark down here. You wouldn't be able to see your hand an inch in front of your face. Nice echo effect, though. All right, coming back. You can see a little bit of light there. Look up and say hi.
Yeah, they're just waiting there for it to open.
There's the rest of my people up there.
I couldn't move an inch without...
All right, so going this way. Looks like more of the same. Actually, looks like the wall is blocked off. Yep. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big wall of dirt. You can't go any further. Looks like it's rock, stone. Yep, there's nothing there. Look at that. Like cave crickets. Check them out. Living down here where it's extremely dark and cold. That's cool. Boop. Oh, that's neat. I didn't expect to see any signs of life down here, so that's really cool. There's no light bulb. That's cool. It's probably not going to come out of there. Oh, maybe. We'll take this and test it, see if it's still any good. What does it say on there? Oh my gosh, it's a Ken-Rad brand bulb. Look at that. Ken-Rad 60-watt extended life. That's cool. Nice find. All right, let's head back up. See more of the lagging. I suspect that's asbestos lagging on those pipes, so I'm not going to stay down here for very long. I don't want to breathe that stuff in. But yeah, just a short section of tunneling under Kings Park. I'll see if I can film going up the ladder. All right, I'm coming up.
Oh, yeah?
They're closed.
Oh, okay.
I know it's on that one.
Lean back.
I think he's been out here a couple times.
Yeah. You know, I know one guy who actually lives around here, and he said often what he would do after school, they just walk right over to here, go right in, I think he said the clods, and then
There's the power plant.
Go everywhere else.
And there's 93.